Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another video from ourselves. So what we've installed is an aftermarket radio into this Chrysler 300C. If you own one of these and you're looking to do so, one of the main things that you need to be aware of is if you have the upgraded sound system. So this vehicle in particular, and majority of the 300Cs have what's called a Boston Acoustics, which basically means it's an amplified system from factory. Complicates things a little bit in terms of the installation, but at CBS Automotive we know how to work with these sorts of systems. We do it day in and day out, so it's something that we do. So if you do have any questions or anything like that, feel free to get in touch with us and we're happy to do the installation for you. One of the key things that this customer was after was good radio reception, because his car was suffering from poor radio signal with the existing unit. So what we've done, we've upgraded it to a Kenwood unit, but we've actually added a shark fin antenna onto the roof, which we'll show you in a second. The system has retained all of steering wheel functionality. It's also retained the factory amplifier, so we've not bypassed the amplifier. Most installers across the country will be bypassing the amplifier using an amp bypass lead. What we've done is actually managed to retain that. It takes a little bit more time, but for the sound difference, it's well worth it. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk over to the car. I'm going to show you the shark fin to start with, and then I'm going to show you the inside of the vehicle so you can see exactly what the finished product looks like. Bear in mind that all the installations being carried out to the highest possible standards. All our engineers are what's called FITAS approved, so it's an accreditation that all engineers at CBS Automotive adhere to, and that's the same on any product that we install. So if we zoom in here to the shark fin on the roof, so what this involves is basically dropping the headlining and adding in the shark fin. So this is basically giving you in and around about 20 dB gain. A typical glass mount antenna will give you in and around about 3 dB gain, and that's a high performance one. So this system gives you a lot more better radio signal. We've also integrated the GPS into there as well, so you're getting a better GPS signal as well as your FM. Everything's going through that antenna. All done to the highest possible standards as well. It's all been sealed, and inside the car you can't see that we've been there, and it looks factory. That's one of the main things. So I'm just going to step inside the vehicle now. So at CBS Automotive, one key thing that we do as well is give you all your products back. And we believe that that's quite a key part of this whole process, because at the end of the day you're not going to keep a car for forever, and when you've invested that much on a radio or any parts or parts from us, we believe that you should have your old parts back so we can reverse the whole system and move it to your next car. So as you can see on the actual head unit itself, this is a navigation based head unit, so it's the DNX 5180 DAB-S, which is Garmin navigation based. It gives you DAB Plus as well. For those of you who don't know what DAB Plus is, basically it's your DAB signal, and it basically transfers it to an FM signal if you lose DAB, only on FM supported stations like Heart or Kiss, for instance. So the radio looks really OEM. It looks as though it's part of the car and the way it would have been come out of the factory. Also gives you features like CD and also USB, which have been routed through into the glove box. The unit for the steering wheel control can also be, for your volume up and down, is all controlled through there as well. As you can see on the unit now, it's just turning on. So it's Garmin navigation, it's a Kenwood unit. You can put any head unit in. It's up to you, whichever features and what's best suited to you. So overall, a really easy to use system. And there you've got the navigation and DAB as well as Bluetooth hands-free. We've installed a little microphone up at the top, so it picks up your audio when you're on hands-free really clearly as well. Overall, really easy to use system. This customer's going to be collecting his car later, and we will be showing him exactly how it works, from all the features in terms of how he can use it and how he can use the system without our guidance, how he can upload the latest navigation and do all the updates as well. So as you can see on the door there, you've got Boston Premium Audio. So if you see that little sign on your door card, which is on the corner, that Boston Premium Audio logo, if you see that sign in your car, you know that you've got an amplified system. So this is main key thing that we've done on this installation is retain the factory amplifier. So for more details, feel free to get in touch. Our team are more than happy to help and answer any questions, and also we can book in and do your audio system from there. For this car we also offer a full audio upgrade in terms of adding additional amplifiers, and we're replacing all the speakers in the car to give it a really rich and clear sound. In terms of booking in and things, if you're based further afield, we have a collection and delivery service that you can take advantage of, or we've also got loan cars as well, so you can take advantage of that too. So our phone number is 01223 56 30 30. I'll pop all the links below so you can see everything on there. But thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to working on your Chrysler 300C soon. Thank you.